What up, Facebook and YouTube? Here, part two of my vlogs today. The first part was sort of here nor there. Reminds me of this quote, um, Einstein. Um, I'm just going to paraphrase. Everyone thinks that math is difficult, but Einstein had a larger problem with math than a greater problem with math than everyone, and I'd have to agree, but I will keep in mind that this man married his first cousin. That can be seen on Wikipedia. A few more things. Here's how to find that playlist of the top 100 songs from 1961 to 1965. Just search the title of that video and scroll over here to playlist. And here's that playlist here. And that's going to be background stuff. I suppose, I think I stopped at that song, so I'll start at this one. I introduce what I was, why I continued on with this blog. I was watching through this video here. Here's part one, and I realized that V is, initially I was going to have, so that chart right there, here's going to be a math chart, and it sort of looks like stitches of, and the movie title is Scarface, but I'm changing it to like a book title called Math Ace, similar to my Rad College of Music. It's sort of like the Rad College of Math on YouTube and stuff. Math Ace. Anyway, so I was going to try to find the mathematical values of the first letter of my surname, P. And I realized it would be probably easier if I started with a more difficult Q. So it starts at a curve. Trying to graph a curve is a lot more difficult than a line, a continuous line. And then, so instead of P or Q, I tried V. But now I'm thinking instead of V, I should do A. This looks like exactly like an upside down A. And I'm going to graph it as it would be written from left to right in normal English. And like this right here, this line would just be y equals, x, or y equals such and such. Y equals like 3. But when writing an A, it's going to be the last stroke of a pen. The first stroke would start up here, and that's one y equals such and such mx plus b. And then it'd be a different equation to go this way, up like that. And then the third stroke would be this just straight line in between the interval x equals 1 to 3, or such and such. Just that one line right there. But it's still going to be easier to do an A than a B. So I'm going to go with A. And I'm recording this video because I realized in the meantime I had made another chart. And it has a motherboard and matrix, and some Android stuff. What's supposed to? That's going to be this one. So here's just the built-in Android app photo editor. So that's going to be the center of the chart, that motherboard. Here's Android stuff up here just for decoration. So as far as P's and Q's go, because on any chart there's going to be different quadrants, I don't know if I'm going to do bright green or... So if I do the color picker and I can pick this right, I'm going to tap around until I get that bright green. I'm just randomly sort of tapping. I need a brighter green than that. There's a good bright green. Could be also called light green. And I suppose I'll use this. So I actually do have an audience for my lecture live. Hello, lady. Hello. She's shy. She's not my cat, but she definitely is a roommate. Cheyenne. Did you have a good nap? Anyways. Okay, so the y is going to be the vertical axis. It's actually easier to draw from the side. It's not very bright though. It's not bright enough. I need like a bright green. And how am I gonna find that? So I'm gonna try the color picker again. There's a bright green. I got that. And then I have to exit out. So the vertical thing is like, is it longitude? Latitude and longitude, it's a similar thing going on. Latitude and longitude is coordinates of the Earth. Try that again. It's easier holding the phone sideways, but when I hold the phone sideways, that's when I accidentally tap the cancel button with my palm, so I'm not going to do that now. Okay. That's the x-axis, and I can go ahead and label it, you know, it's horizontal. Oh, went too far. Okay. And I also have to make. Oh, did I lose the color though? I think I lost the color. It's not good. So it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. And so I'll just label it the X over there and the Y over here. Okay. So anyways, up here, there's just, it's divided into 4 quadrants. So it'll be Roman numeral 1. It ought to be. I don't know. Roman numeral 2. And because the value, like the second letter is going to be B. So 1, 2, 3. And then quadrant 4 up here in, okay, so because D is the 4th letter, and here it's in the 4th quadrant, the second letter, B, I'll put here in the 2nd quadrant, and so, and then up here, so I see my initials there, David and Petrino. And then here's going to be the Q. So what else I'm looking for though is going to be the letter G. I think my phone has crashed. Yeah, but I don't lose it in a certain way. It's a reflected like this over here. So that's the reason that I'm recording video. But I still have to analyze A and make it into, or deconstruct it into a math equation. I have not stopping and starting a new video. And the soundtrack on this whole video, so I'll have to restart that too. Alright, there we go. Just waiting. Okay.